Okay, so solve the equation by factoring. This is an x cubed, so we're gonna have three answers and three little factors. All right, and so basically how you should start every factoring question is a GCF, and all of these have a 2 and an x. All right, so I'm gonna pull that to the front. Leaves me with x squared plus x minus 2. All right, and then from there, this trinomial, oftentimes we can split it into two little binomials. Okay, and I certainly would try it here because you have x squared, so it would be x and x. I'm going to leave my 2x out here. And then they have to multiply to -2 and add up to 1. So I think the only possibilities look like that. And to make +1, we'd want to do +2 and -1. Could check, but that multiplies to -2, adds up to +1. Okay, so that would be our factored form. That factored form just means split apart, right? Pull it apart. That's all factored means. Okay, and then our answers would be, we set all the little parts. Once we have it factored, these are all linear, x to the first, so just set them to 0 and solve them the way we normally do with linear equations. So divide both sides by 2. So 0 divided by 2 is 0. That's one of our answers. -2 here. That's another answer. And then add 1. That's our third answer, right? So we get three answers of 0, -2, and 1. Thanks for watching. This is from, by the way, 5.3 day 1 homework.